Today we are going to talk about how to get discounts or promotions for your Disney World trip. So a lot of people understandably are always looking for a discounted promotion on their Disney World trip because, let's face it, going to Disney World is not cheap. However, I wanted to outline today some of the how-tos and best practices to increase your chances of getting a promotion, because a lot of people have misconceptions because it works a little bit differently in the Disney niche than it does in other hotels. Let's start with some basics before we get into the details of any promotions. First of all, you should not count on a promotion being available for your trip. Make sure that the full price is okay with you. It's not going to put you in debt. It's not going to cause you to cancel your trip before you book it, because the truth is that there may not be a promotion that comes out. So just make sure you're good with that full price, first of all. Next is that I need everyone to remember that Disney is not a nonprofit. They are not a charity. So they are not going to offer promotions just to be nice. They aren't like, oh, here, we want to make your trip really great for you, so here is a discount. It's a business, so they are offering promotions when the rooms are not full and they need people to come. So if you're traveling during a very busy time, then the chances are less likely that there's going to be a promotion available. So just remember that promotions are for a business purpose and may not be offered for your dates. Another thing to know is that the price on Disney hotel rooms, which is called the rack rate, those come out usually in the summer before. So like 2024 prices will likely come out in summer of 2023. And those rates stay the same. Whereas other hotels will release prices and then they will vary the price based on occupancy. Disney rates are just the Disney rates. So you should know ahead of time what those are, and you don't have to sort of wait to book and look at that price to change, because it won't. The price is the price. However, the price is only the price unless a promotion comes out. So that is why we're here. This is what we're talking about today. And you can go ahead and book your trip at the rack rate, at the full price rate, and then later, if a promotion comes out, you can still get the promotion if there's availability for your existing booking. You cannot usually stack discounts, meaning apply more than one to your reservation. So it's important to look at anything that's available, if there are promotions available for your dates, and see which one works out best for you, but don't plan on using more than one at once. And lastly, promotions often vary depending on the category of room you book. So if you see a promotion that says up to 25% off of your room, that 25% is likely to be at the deluxe level, and at the moderate and value levels, it will be a smaller percentage. So it can vary depending on the room category. Now let's talk about the types of promotions that are available, because there are different ones. The first type is based on your demographic. So your demographic could be where you live, such as Florida resident. It could be that you have a subscription, or you are a member of something such as DVC, you're an annual pass holder, you're a Disney Plus subscriber, Disney Visa card holder, that kind of thing. Or maybe you're in the military. So this first type of promo is just based on something that you're a member of, or it's a demographic fact about you that might apply if you fit into that category. The next type of promotion is just a general public one. Usually those are a % off of the room. Like I said, the higher the category of room you book, the higher the percentage usually, but those don't depend on you being in a certain demographic. It's just a general public promo. I also want to mention what's not available, because if I don't mention it, people are going to ask. One of those is free dining, which is the most popular promotion that Disney has ever offered. It hasn't been available since early 2020 for obvious reasons. And this basically gave you the Disney dining plan, which is not currently available at the time I'm recording this, for free, which was hugely popular because you're basically eating for free during your trip. It is not available. Another type of promotion that's not available, which we do hope comes back, is bounce back offers. Bounce back offers are offers that you can get during your trip to apply during a future trip. So the way that it worked was, if you were at Disney World and you wanted to book your next trip, you would just call from your phone in your room and put down the deposit on a future trip. As long as you did it by, I think it was like 10 p.m. on your last day, then you could use that promotion for a future trip. That is not currently available, but we do hope it comes back. So let's talk about what discounts you can expect for your trip, because this is one of the top questions that we get. People will say, I'm traveling during such and such time. What am I going to get? And we don't have a crystal ball, so we don't actually know. But what we do know is the history of what promotions have been available. Now, the last few years have been kind of weird and unpredictable. So, it's a little bit trickier to predict than it used to be, but we have a huge spreadsheet, so it can be helpful to go through that and just look at when offers have been available for what dates, for what resorts, etc., and try to predict what is available for your dates. But it is, no guaranteed it's going to be offered again, but it can be very helpful in choosing your dates if you want to increase the chances of getting a promotion. Let's talk next about how to get discounts for your trip, because there are some strategies that can increase your odds or the chances of being able to get it. First of all, if you are using a good travel agent, this is part of their job, is that they will monitor for promotions and apply them as they come up and as availability is out there. So that is first, but a lot of people want to book on their own. And if that's you, I'll give you some tips up next. If you are doing it on your own, you will want to head to the special offers page on the Disney World site, and all the current offers will be listed there. There may be none for your dates currently, or there could be multiple ones. It just depends on, when you're looking and what your travel dates are. But that is the first place to head to get some information about what's available right now. If there are multiple offers for your dates, then you will need to evaluate them all and see which one applies, because it can really vary depending on your resort and number of people and dates and all that kind of stuff. So you'll want to just check that out and see which one is the best deal for you. If you do not have a current reservation, you can click from the special offers page to check availability for the promotions and see if they do have availability for your resort and dates, etc. It is important to know that when promotions are out, if they say that they are valid for certain dates or certain resorts, that there is limited availability. So they may say that it is available for certain resorts and dates, but they may have only set aside like 100 rooms for that particular resort during that time period. And once those are sold out, it's sold out. So you really do have to check and see if there is still availability, even if the promotion says that it covers your time period and resort. However, if you have a reservation already and you see that there is a promotion going on that could apply, the way that you would do this is, the easiest way to do it is online. You go into your account and you can click change reservation and see if you can change it to use the promo. You can also call, but during promotional release times, that often takes a very long time to sit on hold. So if you can do it online, that is your best bet. And finally, let's talk about how to increase your chances of getting a promo. First of all, I'm going to say, if you have a good travel agent, that's going to be a good bet, because that's literally part of their job. But a lot of people don't want to use travel agents because they want to do it themselves. And so there are some strategies you can use as well. One of those is to get a Disney Visa, because sometimes Disney Visa card holders get access to promotions before the general public does. So that can increase your chances of getting it. Another tip is to travel when discounts are offered, right? So if you're traveling during the busiest week of the year, then there is very little chance that you're going to get it, because Disney doesn't need to offer it. But if you use our spreadsheet that tells the history of it, it can give you a good idea of when promotions are available. And if you travel during those times, then the chances that you'll get a promotion are much higher. Another tip is to avoid staying at excluded resorts. So some types of rooms or resorts are not included in a lot of promotions. That includes things like the Little Mermaid rooms at Art of Animation. That includes Fort Wilderness campsites and 3-bedroom villas. They are not usually part of promotion. So if you avoid those rooms, then your chances of getting it are higher. And lastly is to stay flexible. So if you stay flexible on your resort, then you have a better chance of getting something that's part of a promotion that has availability that is included. And another flexibility area that you might want to consider is dates, because if you have certain dates in mind and a promotion comes out that's for slightly different dates, your flexibility may allow you to actually take advantage of it. If you are planning to fly during your trip, we would actually recommend booking your flights after promotions are typically available for your travel dates, because if you do need to change your dates a little bit, then it's easier if you don't have your flights purchased already. All right, so that is our tips on getting discounts for Disney World trips. Do you have any others that you would like to share, or has this been helpful? And feel free to share those in the comments. Thanks for watching.